Hey, what's up guys? How are y'all doing this evening? You know, I was out today and I thought y'all would love to see some of the stuff I bought from the dollar store. It's not a Dollar Tree, it's a Dollar Plus store. A lot of the things in the store is $1, but a lot of things are not $1, but they have some nice stuff. And after I left there, I had to go get some supplies from the fabric store. And I thought y'all might want to see some of the stuff that I bought today. Oh, and remember, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is free. It's free to subscribe to my channel, and I truly appreciate it if you would. And when that bell come up, it will let you know when I put up a new video. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, so let's get started. Some of the things in the store, I had some projects to do, so I had to pick up a few little things. These flowers from there, I thought they was very nice. They're pretty full. Something like this, it came to $2.99. But the thing about this dollar store, the quality is very good. So, and I didn't want no flimsy flowers because I'm doing a table escape for a birthday party, like a collage of different pictures of the lady, and I wanted to put some flowers on it. So I bought that today. And what else? And I'm going to put this on her backdrop. It's wrapping paper. I think this around $1 from there. Also, I needed this bag for my blow-up beds, and it's pretty big. Stuff like this is $1, but these bags come in handy. And what else did I get from there? Oh, this little easel. This so it'll hold up her, her pictures. I'm doing it on, the foam board. I bought like 4 of these. I use these for many things, but I figured this will hold it up. Once I finish this, I promise, I will let y'all see the finished product. So I got this from there. And what else? Also, I'm doing happy birthday on it, and they sold these. Isn't that cute? This one says happy, and this one has birthday on it. And guess what, guys? You can make this in any color. You can do them sparkles, you can paint them, whatever you like. But I'm going to put this on the top of the collage, so it'll say happy birthday. But I thought these were so nice. And I was looking for something that says happy birthday, and I ran into this. Perfect. And what else? Another project that I'm working on. I just wanted to get some gems. Just a couple of these. It's not that many in here. Maybe around around 6, but they're the big ones. So I needed like a handle for my jewelry box that I'm making. Another DIY. So I picked that up. These little jewels. These about like $1. And what else? Another project I'm working on. Some what's this? Contact paper, adhesive paper. I thought it was a cute design. It was like perfect for what I'm doing. Another project that I'm working on. And this I have to do some lining in my cabinet. So I thought this was cute. What y'all think, guys? I like it, and it's only $1. You know, sometimes you gotta fix the inside of your cabinet to make it look a little better. So I got that. And what else? Also, my birthday coming up August the 9th. So I got me some balloons. So I'm getting ready early. I got some white ones, $1, some pink ones. You know pink is my favorite color, right? I'm quite sure y'all know that, but now my whole house is pink. I got some silver ones. These white ones. These are silver ones. I don't know if you can see them, but those are silver. And these are the pink ones. And you get how many balloons in here? You get 10 balloons in the pink ones, 12-inch balloons. This one, since they're silver, you only get 8 balloons in this one. And this one's the white one, you get 10 balloons in this one. Perfect. That's what I need because my birthday coming up. And what else? Oh, guys, look what I found. Gold mirrors. Yes, they sell this at the Dollar Plus store. I haven't seen this at any dollar store yet, but they have it there, and these are $1. You know I had to buy 2. I bought 2 packs. And they have red. I had to grab these red ones now, so I'll probably think of some type of project for Christmas, so I grabbed the red mirrors. But isn't these nice? Ooh. Wow. I tried to find some silver ones, but they didn't have any silver ones. But these will work. And what else I got? Oh. Look at this. Did I got it right? Yes, a chandelier. A sticker. But isn't that gorgeous for $1? That store is heaven. I love this Dollar Plus store. They have all kinds of goodies. Yes. And what else? Oh, some more balloons. I'm working on a little project. I'll show y'all that later. So I had to buy a couple of balloons. And what else we have in here? Oh, I got some markers. Some metallic markers. I've been looking for these for a while. I haven't seen any in our dollar store. I checked a couple of them, but I finally found some. It's a silver one and a gold one. Yes. And could you believe this? I usually order these on Amazon. These will pick up your rhinestones and little gems. They're a pickup tool. They had this for $1. I couldn't believe it. I've been paying a lot of money for these little pickups tools, but they had them 2 in a pack. Ooh, I need these. Now, if y'all need me to get something for y'all, just leave me a comment in the box below, and I will ship any of these items to you. Okay, just let me know if you need anything, because some dollar stores don't carry this stuff, but I will hook you up. Just leave me a comment in the box below. You know where you leave the comments at. And what else? This is another thing. It's a glue pen. I never seen this at the dollar store before, but some dollar stores have different things and some don't. But this Dollar Plus store had this. Isn't that something? A glue pen. Wow. Cute, right? If you need one, let me know. I'll hook you up. And one more thing. Yes, this is the end. My sister's birthday coming up, so I had to get her a birthday card. Ooh. I always get 2 just in case somebody else didn't get a one. I thought they was cute. This is more me, but because I'm the shoe girl. I love clothes, shoes, stuff like that. But she's the blue girl. So I got her a blue dress for her birthday. And that is it for the Dollar Plus store. Now, I'm going to show you the different things that I bought from the fabric store. And I'm a fabric junkie because I'm always making something. But I have to make my niece a gown, so I wanted to show y'all the material I got. Isn't this gorgeous? And yes, this gown got to be done by the 3rd of August. So I'll be working on this real soon. But I thought it was so pretty. And of course, I had to get some white material. Everybody asking for white pants, white dresses. So I got a lot of this. And I bought some black. Also, I'm doing a cat suit out of this, but I have to wait on the pink to come in. Hopefully, the pink will be in by tomorrow, which is Wednesday or Thursday. Her gown, no, not her gown, I'm sorry. Her cat suit have to be ready by this weekend. Her party is Sunday. Yeah, but I'll get it done. I work pretty fast. And this is some tulle that's going on my niece's dress. So I picked that up. And what else did I get? Oh, and I got some mesh. And these was all on sale for $1. Yes. No, I'm sorry, $1.99. $1.99. And I got like a yard of each one. Pink. You know, mesh, you can do sleeves out of it, or all kinds of things you can do out of it. And I got like a peach one. Another mesh. Oh, it was cute. And what else I get? And I got another peach one. Yeah, but this one is, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. This one is a little pink and this one is peach. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this one is pink and this one is peach. And they both is sheer mesh. I do a lot of sleeves out of it. Is it cute? What else I get? Oh, and I got me some zippers. I use a lot of zippers, especially black zippers. And I got me some more. This is like a jersey. I'm gonna make some tops out of this and put some rhinestones on it. It's real flowy material. I love this material. I'm gonna do some tops and hook it up with the rhinestones. I love doing my rhinestones. I'm gonna do some more t-shirt video coming up real soon, I promise. Just look out for my t-shirt videos with the rhinestone. Got this, and I got me some material for me just to make some dresses, sundresses. I got this piece, a little tiger, because I'm a Leo, the lion, little animal print. Thought that was cute. I'll get to the dress sooner or later. You know me, I just buy material just to be buying and hoping that I will get to it so I can make me something for once. If not this year, maybe next year. Another animal print. I'm thinking of a dress or a top. Tell me which one y'all like the best. Should I make a dress out of this or should I make a top? Same with this one, a dress or a top. And I will show it to you when I get done. I got two more pieces. This one, a sundress or a top. Leave me in the comment box below. Let me know which one, a dress or a top. The stripe print. And one more. This is like, I thought it was a paisley print, but nah. It's more like a flowers and a diamond. But see how it goes? Oh, it makes the best sundresses. It's like a jersey type of material. It's real flowy. A dress or a top. I know y'all see Smokey back there. He's being lazy. Come here, Smokey. Come here, Smokey. What do you think, Smokey? He's being lazy, but that's all right. Before I was getting ready to start filming, he was all over the place. So, but I think he's getting tired right now. But I'm finished anyway. But a dress or a top. Guys, I truly appreciate y'all coming back to my channel and seeing some of the stuff that I bought today. This is not the bulk of it. Miss Fabric, I have lots of it. But next time I go to the material store and to that Dollar Plus store, I promise I will bring y'all with me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna film that Dollar Plus store because the stuff is in that store is unbelievable. Y'all will really love it. Some of the stuff is a little bit higher than $1, but they do have some wonderful stuff. And guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And let me know if you'd like to see some more haul videos. I don't know. But I will be having my prom season gown coming up real soon, so you can see some of the work that I do, all my prom gowns that I made this year, and I'm gonna do some in the past as well. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna go to bed. I don't know about you, it's getting kind of late. Remember, hugs and kisses. Mwah. Woo.